Ay, mali.
Balitaan namin kayo later.
Hindi ko mahanap ang wallet ko.
Tara na, hindi ka na. Anong oras na?
Walang tulog ang tita niyo.
Tinatalbog-talbog.
Papunta na tayo sa main event.
So artistic. Mga tita niyo, enjoy na enjoy.
Sobrang.
What's up, travelers?
We're your favorite travel guides. I'm Eka.
And I'm Tony. And today we are here in Auckland, New Zealand.
Tara! Sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go!
What's up mga Chabibis?
So, gagala na naman tayo today.
Yes, another airport, another gala.
And this time, pupunta tayo ng New Zealand.
Yes, excited.
Yes, ito yung isa sa mga dream country na gusto kong bisitahin. So, finally, matutupad na siya today.
Yes.
Actually, tomorrow kasi bukas pa kami darating.
Yeah, so, yung trip namin, we're taking Cathay Pacific today. And meron kaming 6 hours na layover sa Hong Kong. Papakita din namin sa inyo anong pwede nyong magawa sa 6 hours sa Hong Kong.
And nag-aantay kami ng check-in kasi sanay kami sa Cebu Pacific na pag darating kami mag-check-in na kami. Pero ngayon, we have to wait pa.
Pero inagahan na rin namin in case ma-traffic. Tapos sakto umuulan ngayon. But bago kami umalis, nakita namin walang pasok.
So walang traffic.
Tuloy-tuloy lang kami nakapunta dito sa airport.
So after mag-check-in, magla-lounge muna kami. And then, yun na.
Yes, ang daming changes sa airport ha. Medyo maluwag na siya ngayon. Tapos in place of the chairs, dati kung saan pwede mag-antay, may mga machines na nakalagay. Although hindi pa siya operational, pero may mga machines doon na nakita namin. Excited kami sa mga magiging changes sa airport natin.
Yun. Kahit hindi siya ganun kabilis, at least nakikita namin na merong pagbabago sa mga terminal natin.
May progress.
May progress.
Mga Chabibis, tara! Sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go! Turn on!
Pita Essential.
Yes.
What's that?
It's a must.
Show it. There's our plane already boarding. Boarding!
Yes.
So going to Hong Kong first, and then 6 hours layover in Hong Kong before we go to
Auckland, New Zealand.
Tara! Sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go! Turn on!
Since we have a 6-hour layover in Hong Kong, nag-purchase kami sa Klook ng 4-hour lounge access to Altus Club. They offer unlimited food and drinks, Wi-Fi, may sockets for charging your gadgets, and malapit din yung toilet sa lounge. Masarap naman yung food and nakakabusog din. They have dumplings, noodles, rice, and 2 to 3 other dishes. And aside from unlimited coffee, only din yung juice, soda, tea, and water.
Yes, we're finally boarding. So, ito na yung Auckland, New Zealand na flight namin.
Punta na tayo sa main event.
Yes, so balikan namin kayo pagdating namin ng Auckland.
After 10 hours.
Yes.
Tara!
Welcome to Auckland.
Nag-withdraw tayo ng 800 New Zealand dollars and may $5 siya na withdrawal fee.
Yung ibang restaurant, merchant, or establishments, gagamit naman kami ng credit card.
Yep. So, para lang may cash tayo. Pero actually, kasi yung nung nag-convert ako nung nasa Pilipinas pa, ang plan ko i-withdraw is 30,000 pesos. Tapos, nung natinignan ko siya, 800 yung conversion niya. Pero 27 yung lumabas. Oh, nice.
And just to add, sabi ng friend ko na nakatira dito sa New Zealand, pag gagamit kayo ng credit card, merong 1.2% service charge.
Yeah.
Good morning and welcome to New Zealand!
Dito na kami!
Yes, and we survived the 24 hours travel from Philippines to New Zealand.
Yes, nag-layover pa kami sa Hong Kong.
Mga 6 hours din yun.
Nag-withdraw na kami. Siyempre, tapos na rin kami sa immigration and declaration. So, medyo strict sila guys. Make sure wala kayong kahit anong food or kung meron, declare it lang.
Yeah, so ilang beses kami dumaan ng customs.
Yes.
So parang may express and then another customs and then another. Parang 3 beses siya.
Yes.
So bibigyan kayo ng chance to declare kung may dala kayong food like poultry, kung ano man meat. So sobrang higpit nila kagaya ng Australia.
Yes. Tapos meron kasi kaming peanuts from the plane na hindi namin nakain. Dahil hindi din kami sure, tinapon na lang namin para sigurado. Kaysa mag-fine ka ng $400.
Yeah, so parang hindi naman siya appropriate din i-declare. So itapon na lang. So ayun. And sobrang, sa Hong Kong naman, mga chabibis, medyo mahaba yung process ng transfers. So since ang laki ng airport nila, wala pa kaming gate. So 3 yung parang terminal nila. So 3 yung titigilan ng trains. Medyo malayo talaga yung nilakad namin bago kami naka-transfer.
Oo, tapos parang 90 minutes before the flight lang sila nag-release talaga ng
gate number.
Kaya abang kami ng abang. So buti na lang kumuha na kami ng lounge sa Hong Kong. Kasi if we're gonna stay sa like restaurant or sa food court, masyado matagal kung doon kami magsistay. Tapos, ganoon din siguro yung gagastusin namin sa kakainin namin.
So, kinuha namin yung Club Autos na lounge and we got it from Klook.
Yes.
So, if you want to get discount, you can use our promo code
Shop Explorers Klook.
para makatipid kayo.
Yes, tas yung link nasa baba din.
Ting!
So, ngayon, mag-Uber na kami going to our hotel. Pwede namang mag-bus. Kaya sabi nung friend ni Tony na dito sa New Zealand nakatira.
Hi, Andrea!
Shout out, may kita niya siya sa vlog.
Yes.
Paakyat daw yung
Hotel namin. So, medyo appeal. Pagod na kami. Diyos ko, 24 hours na kami nagbabiyahe. Maawat mahabagin.
Tsaka may maleta kaming dala. So, let's Uber ourselves now.
Yes, and tara! Chubay-chubay tayong gumala.
Let's go! Kung mag-Uber kayo or taxi, hanapin nyo lang tong taxi ride share super shuttle na sign para doon kayo mag-aabang. So, hindi pa ako nagbubook ng Uber kasi hinahanap pa namin yung antayan para sure. Ay, ang cute ng coffee shop. Oh. Yan, may cafe dito paglabas. May Dunkin Donuts, no? Paglabas nakita natin.
And Subway.
Oo, so yan. Parang doon mag-aabang. Malamig ngayon, pero kaya lang ng naka-t-shirt lang kami. Katanghali din kasi. So, follow the signs. Kasi meron silang designated na pick-up area for Uber and other share rides. Meron din silang Didi tsaka Bolt dito. Ayan, ang antayan nila ng Uber. So, there's Uber pickup zone. We're checking out our neighborhood. May supermarket. Uy, may Viral Dubai chocolate. Open 24 hours. Shaolin Kung Fu noodles. Uy, pwede. Barbecue buffet. Oh, may mukbang. A noodle story. Maraming kainan. Yay! Bakit?
Mga chabibis, pagbalik namin sa hotel, paakyat.
Yun lang, paakyat. So, pagbalik sa hotel, gutom na ulit. Hill siya, guys. So, dito kami nag-end up sa Shaolin Kung Fu Noodles. Pero in-order ko rice.
I ordered noodles na may sabaw. Tapos nakikita ko yung chef or cook nila, handmade yung noodles. Inaano-ano niya, tinatalbog-talbog niya.
Nag-order ng seafood rice, tapos dumpling, tapos dumpling. Medyo pricey siya. $55.
And may jetlog ako, kumakalog-kalog ako ngayon.
Kumakalog? Paano yung kumakalog?
Ganun yung pakaramdam ko ngayon. Kung di pa pwede mag-check-in sa hotel.
3 PM pa daw yung check-in, pero pumayag naman na iwan yung luggage. Tapos guys, uphill, downhill ang paligid ng aming hotel.
Kaya nga, so matatest na naman ang tatag ng aming mga tuhod, ang aming mga balakang, ang aming mga paa.
Baka pumayat tayo, explorers na lang tayo.
Hindi mas maganda.
Papalit kami ng handle guys, explorers. Thank you. This is the lamb and goji berry noodles. So, yan na yung food namin. Noodles for Tony. Nag-order kami ng fried rice, seafood fried rice, and may dumpling pa. We paid $55 for the food. Tapos nag-order kami ng Coke. So, wala kaming drink. Ang Coke ay $3 ang isa.
So, tikman natin tong soup with noodles and lamb.
Thank you.
Ayan.
Ay, napakadami pala mo.
Okay lang yan.
Ayan yung dumpling namin na madami. Okay, so here's our room. It's a Scotia of Queen. So pagpasok, meron ditong space for the luggage. May work table with the lamp. May saksakan naman dito and may USB ports. So, meron siyang, may tubig. May kettle din sila dito. This is their socket, guys. Ganito. So, dapat may travel adapter kayo. Yung kompleto na para makasaksak kayo dyan. So, AC is controlled here. There's a side table here. Bed is king size. Kasi we got the executive suite. Naka-sale siya sa Agoda. They have here cups and mga baso. Ganyan yung water nila. I guess meron silang water dispenser. They have coffee. They have ref. Ayan, nagyayelo na yung freezer niya. Merong creamer dito. There's a safety deposit box right there. Oh, and ito pala yung sabitan ng clothes. On the other side of the bed, meron ding lamp na may mga sockets. This is our view. We have street view. May TV. Hindi siya smart TV. Walang nakalagay sa remote niya. They have a heater right here. And let's do a tour of the toilet. Wow, may hand and body lotion. And my hand wash. They have towels here. There's the lavatory. The toilet. And naka-enclose yung shower. Gusto namin yung ganyan kasi ayaw namin ng basa. More towels here. Saan yung bath towel? Nandyan. Sa labas yung bath towel. Nasa bed. And malaki yung body wash and shampoo conditioner nila. Ganun yung shower. It's old school but no problem. And of course, walang bidet. And meron din sila ditong blow dryer.
So, that's a wrap for today.
We're not yet ending this vlog, pero magpapahinga na kami for now. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night!
Good night!
Thank you!
Bango! I ordered yung supunin. Bango, grabe.
Here's our order. Tony got pancake.
Yes, pero ang tawag nila is griddle cake. And Eka got
Salmon latka. Ano siya? Para siyang hash brown. Tapos may salmon. So, kain lang kami. Oh, and we also got unlimited na coffee.
bottomless coffee. Good morning from New Zealand!
Yes, we're here na.
Yes, and naku, na-jetlag ako.
Walang tulog ang tita nyo.
So gising ako na madaling araw. Umaga
Ako
na ako
masarap.
nakatulog.
Ako masarap tulog ko.
Yes, so nandito kami sa CBD area. So nag-brunch muna kami dito. Saan, Chab Eka?
Federal Delicatessen. Sobrang sarap niya. We had, ano yung sayo?
Griddles.
Griddle.
And in short, pancakes.
Ako, latke. Latka. Latka.
Latka.
Salmon latka. Which is, ano talaga, hash brown na may salmon. Pero sobrang sarap, guys. Tapos unlimited yung coffee nila. Our bill was $53.
So medyo pricey lang talaga dito kasi nandito tayo sa New Zealand. And medyo maliit yung serving nila. Pero okay naman. Nabusog naman ako.
Ang sarap ng food eh. Ayun. So ngayon, mag-iikot lang kami today. Chill day on our day 1, on our first full day. But we'll visit the Sky Tower later. And meron kaming activity na gagawin.
Na-recommend ng friend ko na dito na nakatira sa New Zealand.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Hi, Andeng!
So, abangan nyo. Tara, sabay-sabay tayong gumala.
Let's go! Tour na! Lala ng ano nila. Dahil nila ni Akin.
We found a souvenir shop. Keychain for this one is $16. But we're here for the shot glass. Ayan, we found it. $5 in shot glass. We're getting this one. They also have postcards. So on the way to Woolworths, we found this gift shop. Kiwi gift. So, nakuha na namin ang aming
Shot glass.
shot glass and
Tabi-tabi
postcard.
siya.
Tapos,
Tabi-tabi
and Chemist
mo.
Warehouse, tsaka Woolworths.
Oh my God!
Tara, gastos ulit tayo. Woolworths and Chemist Warehouse. So, we're here at Chemist Warehouse. Naghahanap kami ng mga vitamins, supplements. So, we wanna get this Magnesium Ultra. Vitamin C. Kailangan natin yan. Mga probiotics. Ay, grocery tour again. Ay, wow. Roses. $6. Cadbury favorite, $6. Ang saya mag-Woolworths. We're at Woolworths pala, guys. Ang dami nilang cookies.
Griddles.
Griddles. Nakalagay pancakes eh. Ayan, gusto yung extension cord. Meron din. Ayan, naka-sale yung tinta. $3.49 lang.
Hi mga Chabibis! Nandito kami sa Weta Workshop. So, Weta Workshop is sila yung mga gumagawa ng props sa mga films like Lord of the Rings, etc. The Hobbit.
Avatar, props and other costumes, gano'n. So, design studio siya.
Yun. So, experience namin siya. Balitaan namin kayo later.
Yes, we got this from Klook. If you also want to book your activities via Klook, you can use our promo code.
Chab Explorers Club.
Yes, para makatipid. And the links are below. Tara, let's go!
Turn on!
Let's go. Movie making experience. Ayan. So we're gonna do this. They have lockers naman kung may dala kayong gamit. So here's our voucher. No. Hello. We're gonna do the Vita workshop.
Yeah, have you already booked in?
Yeah.
You guys are all sorted for that one.
Okay.
We'll start checking in just a second, about 2 minutes. But yeah, feel free to film throughout the space, not the entire thing though.
Okay.
As
Yeah.
well.
I'm super happy. So we're inside the souvenir shop. So we're waiting lang for our time. Hey guys, we're super excited. Kasi Lord of the Rings to. Ayan o, ang daming merch. Ang dami nilang Lord of the Rings merch. The Hobbit. Ayan. And they even have a mystery box here. There's $79.99. There's a 1 in 50 chance of getting the ring. Okay, there's our guide. Okay, the guide said merong message dito from the son of from Leon, yung anak ng gumawa nitong mural, which he did in 3 weeks, by the way. The biggest one in New Zealand, the biggest mural. So he's making us look for it to kill time because we're still waiting for other participants. We found it, but we're not gonna show you para pag pumunta kayo dito, mahanap nyo siya. Kayo maghanap. Okay, joke lang. Second biggest lang pala. May first pa. Yan. Sobrang laki, sobrang cool. Excited talaga kami.
TV shows, video games, board games, card games, all that fun stuff for your entertainment. You'll know us from making films like Lord of the Rings,
Yeah.
Aliens, Ghost in the Shell. Fight, fight, fight. Camera's right here. Do whatever you like. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Do that way.
Thank you. Sobrang cool. Storeroom. Ang ganda nito. Experience
the storeroom.
Tour guide today / internship induction officer. My name is Devin. Can we all say hi, Devin?
Hi, Devin.
I'm so glad that worked. It wasn't awkward for any of us.
So you can move these to move that one. Well, this is the prosthetics department. Sobrang cool. It's pwede i-touch lahat. Yee, frogs! This is... Are you having fun?
Yes, this is so cool.
You can touch everything. Ah!
If your arms are out like this, it means you want me to drop it on you. Just test out how much it weighs.
It's heavy.
So this camera, pag nakatapat sa face here, it moves this one. Nga ka malaki. Lakihan mo pa. Pero grabe, ang cool nito. Oh, makano.
Latex.
Ang galing. Pindot mo yan. Ay, ayan, may make-upan ka. Oh my God. Scream! That's not a scream. Nice.
At least one of the bones, skulls, or jaws are real. Which one do you think it is? Alright, come nice and close this way. Here's your axe. To scan and take photos using the QR code, scan it under the red plus on the sidearm right here. After 5 seconds, that camera in the sky. Take a photo of you, chopping my neck off. Now don't worry, I'll do all the work. Just a few seconds. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay.
Good job. You can swap. You can take as many photos as you like.
Are you having
Amazing,
fun?
yes.
Sobrang
So
cool
amazing.
nitong tour na to. Wala to siya. Yeah, they use foil for some of the props. Ang galing, grabe. Ito. Nag-drawing si Chub Tony sa... Okay. Ano ba yan?
I'm an artist. So artistic.
No, you're just arte.
So artistic. Ganda.
So yung mga makikita dito, hindi siya totoong movie or anything. It's a concept. Pero they're showing how it's made. So this is the same thing how they made it for Lord of the Rings, for the other movies, Avatar, ganyan. So they're showing it here. Kasi daw, pag totoong props na yung ginamit, nandun na yun sa kabilang workshop nila sa Wellington, hindi nyo na pwedeng hawakan. Kasi mas may price na yon. So, pero ito, interactive siya. Pwede nyo siyang hawakan kasi concept lang siya. So, it's not a real movie.
So, ang dami nyo pwede talagang gawin dito. So, kung meron kayong kids, sobrang mag-enjoy sila. Kami nga, Diyos ko. Mga tita nyo, enjoy na enjoy.
Sobra. Wow, ang bigat. Change siya talaga. You can build your own. Ang bigat.
Again, congratulations on completing your internship. If you did have a good time and you want to leave a review, my name is Devin. If you had a bad time and you're still going to leave a review, my name is Daisy.
Yes. Got the souvenirs.
Yeah. Got our photos.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we got our photos. You can get 3 printed with this booklet. And then you get all the digital photos also for $34.99.
Yes.
Pero sobrang cool nito experience na to, guys.
Sobrang sulit. So, wag niyong papalampasin to pag nandito kayo sa New Zealand Weta Workshop.
Nag-locker kami dito, $4 for 4 hours. Kasi may mga gamit kaming dala. And we removed our jackets para hindi mainit. So we stopped in this Chinese restaurant for lunch. Sa tapat lang siya ng Sky Tower. And they have mga rice meals. Ayan. Tony got the roast duck on rice. I got the crispy roast pork on rice. So $20 each siya. Then they have hot tea and water.
Cold water.
You can order from the cashier or pwede rin sa QR code. We're paying cash. And I forgot to say kanina sa Federal din, we ordered from the QR code and paid na rin bago pa dumating yung order namin. So sobrang convenient niya. This is Wong Kok Cafe and Bar. Thank you.
What's that pork?
Crispy pork
Crispy pork.
and duck. Looks yummy. And dito kami nag-lunch, Wong Kok Cafe and Bar. Super yummy nung order namin. We paid
$40.
Di namin nag-drink, meron silang hot tea tsaka water. Sarap din ng water.
Grabe yung water nila dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong magic ang meron, pero ang sarap.
So, we're going to the Sky Tower. So, pasok kayo sa Sky City Hotel and then go down the escalator to get to Sky Tower. Let's go.
I have to go down to get up.
P3.
Ha?
go to P3. Pwede ring mag-lift, tapos P3 nakalagay. So, we're here at the Sky Tower. Pero mag-CR muna kami. Oh, dito kami galing.
Yeah.
With the workshop. So, we're doing this Sky Tower. We got our tickets from Klook. If you also want to get your tickets from Klook, you can use our promo code
Shop Explorers Klook
to get a discount. Let's go. Papalit natin yung ticket natin. Right here. Hi.
Thank you.
Elevator.
Mabilis lang to. Wala mo makita.
Kaya nga.
Ba yan?
Level 51 kami papunta. Pero wala naman makita ng floor. Na ano na. Ayan.
Uy! Nice!
Sobrang cool. Wala masyadong tao.
So, hindi siya ganun kabilis bumaba.
Oo.
Hindi masakit sa tenga.
We're here at the Sky Tower. Nice! This is so cool. Alam niyo guys, never kami nagsasawa sa mga Sky Towers. No?
Kasi sobrang ganda. Kasi iba-ibang view naman eh.
Oo.
Kada country, iba-ibang view.
Ay, ang daming boat. Baka ano yan.
Ang harbor.
Oo.
Towers of the World.
Ayan. So that's Harbor Bridge. Towers of the World. Burj Khalifa.
Done.
Tokyo Skytree.
Done.
Canton Tower, no. CN Tower, no.
Sydney Tower, done.
Sydney Tower. Yay! Okay. There's a glass floor here. Atapang atao. Tingin ka sa baba. Baka mahilo ka.
Ay!
Nahilo ka?
Hindi naman, kaya lang hindi siya pantay kasi kaya ako ayoko.
Pakapal naman yan. May mga CR dito sa taas if you need to go. Kasi may mga ibang towers. Walang CR. So, buti meron sila dito. So, from the tower, you can see Mount Eden. That's the highest point. Pwede din pumunta dyan. That's a bit of a hike. Actually, pwede mag-Uber. So, meron din silang sky jump experience if you want that. But we're not up for that. Ganda ng New Zealand. Ganda ng mga bundok. So, makita nyo sa ticket nyo, level 51 yung una namin. And then, pwede kami umakyat sa level 60, Skydeck. So, nandito yung way papunta sa kanya. So, this is 220 meters higher. Umakyat kami. Siya parang mas malinis yung bintana dito.
Mas kita mas ma-appreciate mo yung view.
Ang ganda. Yan, mas manipis yung lakaran dito. Pero the view is spectacular. As nang nasa 51st floor. And like other tourist attractions, gift shop ang ending ng Sky Tower. Yung 53rd floor, nandun yung bungee jumping, tsaka skywalk, and there's also a coffee shop and ice cream shop dun sa area na yan. This is our hotel, Scotia of Queen. So, we're ending our vlog here for New Zealand. Grabe, yung pinagdaanan namin coming here from Manila to Hong Kong to New Zealand. That's 24, hindi pala halos, 24 hours talaga kami nagbiyahe. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-boring kasi nag-book kami ng lounge sa Hong Kong. And then, comfortable yung flight namin coming here. We have a good hotel, good location, pero guys, uphill, downhill. As in, challenge na challenge kami dito sa paglalakad. And we're supposed to get the AT-Hop card. Yun yung bus card, yung transport card nila for the trains and the buses. But unfortunately, nakalimutan namin siya gawin sa airport. And wala pa kami nakikita kung saan pwedeng bumili. So, currently, nag-Uber lang muna kami. Buti malapit lang yung mga pinupuntahan namin. Kung ibabas namin yung tower kanina na pinuntahan namin, it would be around $6 to $7. Pero yung Uber namin, papunta dun sa mga lugar na yon, $8 to $9 lang. So, okay lang. Pag malayo na yung pupuntahan namin yon, baka kailangan talaga namin bumili na ng AT-Hop. Tomorrow, we'll buy it.
Today, galing kami sa Weta Workshop Unleashed. So, it's a design studio. Siya yung gumawa ng props ng Lord of the Rings, Aliens, and
Avatar. Yung mga costumes, sila yung gumawa.
Yeah, sobrang amazing. Kasi it's an interactive workshop studio siya.
Yeah.
So, pinakita sa amin yung mga paano gumawa ng props and kung paano yung process. So, yes. Sobrang cool niya talaga. So, nakita din namin kung paano ginagawa yung makeup, prosthetics, and meron sa amin pinatry na isang costume, sobrang bigat. So, imagine namin kung ano yung, gano'n na lang yung hirap ng mga artista habang ginagawa yung film. And then, after Weta Workshop, pumunta kami sa Auckland Sky Tower. Yeah. Ang ganda ng view from the 53rd floor. So, after 53rd floor, umakit kami sa 60th. So, ayun yung pinakamataas na pwede nyong akyatin and view deck ng tower. So, kung malakas yung loob nyo, pwede kayo mag-bungee jumping from the sky deck and yung sky deck walk sa outside nung tower. So, nakita namin kanina yung mga mag-skywalk. Kaya lang, hindi na namin ginawa kasi nakakatakot.
So, yung mga binook namin sa Klook, yung links nasa description box. What we booked are the eSIM, Weta Workshop, Sky Tower, yung lounge. Binook din namin lahat yun sa Klook. And if you also want to book your activities, you can use our promo code
Job Explorers Klook
to get a discount when you book. So, we hope you enjoyed watching this video because we had so much fun making it.
If you like this video, you can follow us on our social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And don't forget to comment, like, and
subscribe!
Hanggang sa susunod na gala!
Paalam!